Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be covering how you can set up your own custom homepage, and this is by using either your own static page that you've created, or if you're using one of the page templates that are available in Toocheke. Okay, let's dive right in. So the first thing I want to go over is taking a look at a WordPress feature that you may not be aware of. So with WordPress, typically when you install it, and then if you've, for example, installed the Toocheke theme, out of the box, it is going to kind of display its own auto-generated homepage, and depending on the WordPress theme that you're using, it's going to just pull in the default homepage, the default auto-generated homepage. And let me just show you how you can see that. So if you go to your settings in your dashboard and then click on, I believe it is reading. Yes, reading. So the setting that you want to focus on is your homepage displays. If you see this option checked, your latest posts, that will let you know it is basically showing the default homepage that comes with your theme, whatever theme that you have installed. Okay, so if I was to go to my homepage right now for Toocheke, it's currently showing this. And if I wanted to change any of those through well, I'll show you that in a little bit, but let me just finish off covering this. Now, if you wanted to have your own page, that you wanted to set up a custom page, you can just select this option, a static page, this option, and then select what you would want to have as your own homepage. And this is going to be from any of the pages that you've created on your website. And I'll show you how you can set that up. All right. So let's just switch back for a moment to your latest post and then just click Save Changes. And then if you've seen my previous videos, you know that you can change within Toocheke the homepage layout. So let me just show you right quick. So appearance and then customize. And then if you go to the homepage layout setting, you have about, like, if you're using the free version of Toocheke, you have like you have 6 options available. Sorry, 8 options available. All right, so you can change, select that, and then just click publish. If I wanted like a manga layout, I could just select that and click publish. All right. Now, let's say you didn't want any of these options. You didn't want any of these theme options and you wanted something else. For example, maybe you wanted to display just a plain page. Let me just click on publish and just click out of this. All right, let's exit out of this. Let's say you wanted to create your own custom page that you have built from this menu here, from the pages and then the all pages menu, or from the add page menu. So these are the current pages that I have. All right. And let me see if I can pick on one page that I've already created. Okay, this is a good page to test that out. So let's say you wanted to build your own page, and I have created this page. This is a sample page and it has my text in, and maybe let's say I want to add in an image, and this is using the WordPress block editor or the Gutenberg editor. So let me just go ahead and add an image. Let's see if this is going to allow me to do. Okay, for some reason it's not. Okay, there you go. So image, let's add an image. All right, and let's select that from the media library. Let's select, which one should we select? That one. All right, and then just click publish or save. All right, so let's say this is the page that I want to use for my homepage. It's called sample page. You can give any title that you want to it. And okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Now we want that to be our homepage. Currently, this is our homepage. Okay. So if I wanted that sample page to be my homepage, all I have to do is go to the settings menu and then go to reading and then select a static page, and then for the homepage drop down, just look for the page that you created, and it's called sample page, and then click save changes. And then if I go back here and do a refresh of the homepage, it shows the page that we created. So it's just that simple. Okay. Now, the other thing to consider is Toocheke comes with what are called page templates. Page templates are basically pre-built page layouts that you do not have to basically customize. You can just and they have like predefined features or functionality. So let me just show you with a few quick examples. For example, if you wanted your home page to be displaying, let's say, the first comic or the latest comics. Let's say we want it to be the latest comic. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go and add the page. So pages, add page, and let's give this a descriptive name. Let's say template page. And for when you're using a template, you should not add any content. So just add the title and no content at all. And then what you're going to do is on the right hand side here where it's labeled template, by default all pages use the default template. But if you wanted to use a pre-built template within your theme, in our case within the Toocheke theme, you just click on this tab here, this link here, default template, and it will pull up a drop down menu, and you can select from a list of predefined templates. So let's say we wanted the latest comic page, and if I just click publish, it's just going to display the latest comic on the homepage. So if I just do a refresh, oh sorry, I forgot one step. So yes, I have set it as the I've saved this, I've saved the template, but I do need to change the settings again to that page. So I have to go back to settings and then reading, and then go to the home page drop down and select template page, and then click save changes. All right. And if I go home, and this should work, hopefully, there you go. So it shows the first comic page. It redirects to the first comic page. Let's say I wanted a different template. Let's just play around, and so you can see, you can get a better idea of how it works. So which was it? It was the template page. Okay. And oh, one thing you should notice is once you select a page as your home page, it's going to label it as a front page with this front page label, so you can easily see which of your pages are currently the home page. Okay, so let's just edit that. Let's edit it, and let's change it to a different template. Let's say we wanted it to show the latest manga series page, or let's say the first manga series page. Okay, and then click save. If I go to the home page again, it's going to show me, it's going to redirect me to the first manga series page. Okay, let me just give you maybe one more. I'm trying to think of a good example to show you. The blog landing page. So if you wanted to display blog posts, like regular blog posts on your homepage, you can select this template and then just click save, and then just go to the homepage again and see if that works. Yep, and it's just going to basically show all the blog posts, regular blog posts, not comic posts or any other custom post types that you may have. Just regular posts will be displayed on your home page. And then just to hammer the point home, let me just show you another template that we can use, select from. I'm trying to think of a good one. Let's say we wanted, let's say we wanted the chapters template. I think we do have chapters. Let's just click on save and just click home. Yep. So it will just show the chapters on the home page, right? And that's basically it. So I hope that gives you a good sense of how you can set up your own custom homepage. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out and I'll be happy to help. All right? Thanks.